Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding both language layouts and enabling the switching key so the keyboard is ready. This is the first actionable step. Once done, make sure predictive text is active for each language because it speeds typing and reduces errors. You'll also set a physical or software shortcut to toggle layouts quickly. This avoids hunting through menus and lets you focus on input. By enabling short forms and autocorrect per language, you prevent wrong language corrections while you type. You now practice switching during real typing to build muscle memory. Change layouts mid-sentence when you need a different character set. Make sure to rely on language-specific autocorrect and suggestions because they learn your vocabulary and reduce manual edits. Use long presses or dedicated diacritic keys to add accents and special letters without leaving the flow. Once comfortable, combine shortcuts and gestures. This reduces pause time. If you compose long passages, alternate layouts per phrase rather than per word to maintain context. You finish by configuring per app preferences so your messaging app stays in one language while your document editor uses both. That makes behavior predictable. Once set, test typing a paragraph and confirm autocorrect and shortcuts behave as expected. If something fails, reset the keyboard dictionary or toggle the layouts off and on to refresh settings because cached entries can cause wrong corrections. If characters still won't appear, update the OS or input plugin. This fixes compatibility bugs and restores proper dual language input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.